been working on this project recently that analyzes thumbnails. And in the prompts, it uses this system of big, easy, new, safe, simply because I think the way I compared this with successful thumbnails and bad thumbnails, it actually gave me some precise average grades on like which thumbnail would get best CTRs. I've posted a video about this, it's right here, AI improves YouTube CTR, but in this video I just created a simple GPT over at ChatGPT, and it wasn't actually like a project or some sort. So I decided to make this project to just test out some of my skills using full stack web development. Also to use the T3 stack. T3 stack actually makes you learn so much. It's incredible. I didn't know about tRPC previously, but now that I know, I feel like I can't build anything without tRPC anymore, simply because like the IntelliSense you have when creating anything with tRPC is just incredible. And eventually you just don't see yourself not using this. So yeah, let's just give a sense of how this works. You send out the thumbnail and it starts loading, and as soon as it retrieves the answer, it shows the response, like just the general response down here in AI response. Then it makes a full analysis based on the bend system, and finally it provides a total grade based on these analysis. Now it's done. It gave a total grade of 6.25. It said it's big, and it gives the description of the use of specific dollar amount. So it identified this. Then it identified that it's 7 out of 10 easy, because I mean, I'm not going to read this entire thing. And it just fall out on being new. Like it doesn't seem to indicate, there is no clear indication that the content is time sensitive or exclusive, which could dampen the urgency. Like it just gives this entire description so you can make your thumbnail better. And also it gives this response, which is just a generic response. The thumbnail and title convey a clear, potential, engaging message. And one of the ideas with this was to use both of the OpenAI models. One of them being the analyze image, right? Just sending over a base 64 image over to OpenAI, and with that base 64 image, it analyzes it with our prompt. Like this prompt right here just has everything we need here, analysis prompt. So this is a prompt I use. You are an expert in evaluating YouTube thumbnails. So it provides the big, easy, new, safe, and like when OpenAI returns any data, it returns the data all messed up. You get a complete data with all these grades and all, but still, like how can you make that? You could use regex to get that, but it's also interesting and not that expensive to use the OpenAI structuring, right? You guarantee that you're gonna have the structure way more than if you use regex, or end up just all the time having to make other calls just to retrieve that specific structure. And I mean, in the front end of this, it's all messed up. This is not ideal. This clerk authentication right here is over at the top. I just wanted to just get that out of the way, because I would need to implement this private procedure right here. And I mean, for clerk, you'll have to make this private procedure on your own, simply because the T3 stack doesn't come with that. The other part of analyzing this would involve analyzing also the titles. So like just with the thumbnail itself, it doesn't give the best precise analysis. Like when you look over at YouTube, you always like see the thumbnail, and maybe the thumbnail is catchy enough to make you look at the title. So they work together. I mean, I would say that the thumbnail is even more important, despite I not giving any attention to the thumbnails in my own channel. But yeah, if you guys want to check out this T3 stack, just I'll place the link in the descriptions, and it's just like a way to reinforce TypeScript on your entire code so that you get IntelliSense, you get a neat connection between everything from your actual full stack project, web project, and it's just amazing. It makes you develop things way faster, but like you have to have some basics set out before you start using this. And that's it for this video. If you would like to see any other prompts or any other methods I use to develop this project, please let me know in the comments. As soon as it's done, I'll probably make another video explaining like everything that I did and new features that I've implemented. I want to make some sort of database input so that people know like the past thumbnails that they've analyzed. So like, and the analysis for each thumbnail. I think like every time, like if we make this a button on which every time it's clicked a token is used, then everything that's produced from the AI has to be of ownership to that person that created it. And for that, we need to have a database just regulating this. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then.